actually, when you don't take your vows, you're acting in an unnatural manner. Why? Because the natural state of your mind is clear, wisdom, compassion, love. How do you check that? When we do something good for someone, people cry, people support you, people hug you, and they do it openly. And they praise you, they put you in newspapers, they write books about you. And when you go home to go to sleep, you feel so good. But when we do something negative, we may have people supporting us, but it's always in the shadows, it's dark, it's scary, we don't tell people, we hide it, we don't reveal it. We're not comfortable 24/7 all the time. If during the day we gave something, we're very happy with ourselves, we're very open about it. You don't run around telling people, hey, guess what I stole today? You're going to rejoice for me? Of course not. So when you do positive action, you feel happy. That's how you use your wisdom mind to check, oh, that's the right way. Why? Why are you happy? Because you're doing something natural. What is natural? That is your natural state of mind. So therefore, if you do something good and you feel happy, it's a sign. It's a sign. That is correct. So doing positive, good things that benefit others makes us feel very good. Why? Because our wisdom mind, our inner mind, is registering that's correct.